All right, so mostly clear outside right now. Temperatures are pretty comfortable, 69 to 70, 71 around the San Antonio metro. Today's high for your weekend timeline, 91 to 92, both afternoons this weekend. If you have any outdoor plans, if you're celebrating at the park or just going to the park with some family and doing any events, it looks fine. The winds will be light, 5 to 10, maybe 15 miles an hour at best, but not much of a breeze, taking the edge off this heat because normal high in October is 88 degrees. We'll be at about 92, so a few ticks above average for this time of year. Outside right now, there's near the downtown San Antonio area. It's just to the west of it, but that's mostly clear out there. A couple of high altitude clouds as temperatures are cooling into the upper 60s at this hour. Winds are light, 3 miles an hour from the west-northwest. Temperatures across the board, 65 at Bandera, a couple degrees cooler at Bernie at 63, 70 at Bulverde, just about that in most locations across Bexar County, 70 to 71, especially towards the southern side of San Antonio. Uvalde not picking up a reading right now, but I guarantee they're probably around about 68 to 70 right now. 71 at Del Rio, 71 at Cotulla, and 72 towards Kennedy. Similar numbers and temperatures near Seguin and east of I-35 towards, let's say, Gonzales and Cuero and Hallettsville. Okay, today's high temperature is going to be warm. It's hot. I'll just say that for this time of year. You know, again, normal high 88. That's where we should be stopping, but we're overachieving today, and it's pretty much been the trend the last couple of days. Yesterday I think it was 92. Today, very similar, 91 to 92 in the city. Upper 80s for the hill country, not bad under a mostly sunny sky. West of Bexar County, 90 at Del Rio, and more upper 80s towards I-35, San Marcos, and Austin at 89 degrees. Sunny skies for today. Very quiet, and reason being is this right here. Ridge of high pressure backs off for the next couple of days briefly, and then comes back in full force by Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And what that's going to mean is, it's really going to cook up our temperatures, probably like 94 to 95 by Wednesday and Thursday next week. So even more above average. And then also shutting down any hope for some rain for the foreseeable future. Now, there is a chance Wednesday and Thursday next week, and it's all relying on the ample amount of moisture moving in from the Gulf, from the south and east. And if it can move towards San Antonio enough, that may increase the sea breeze along the Texas Gulf Coast, and that may increase our chance for some widely scattered showers. But just to reiterate, it's low. It's like 20 to 30% by next Tuesday and Wednesday. So here's your 14-day forecast. High temperature 91 today, 92 tomorrow. Morning temperature is pretty comfortable. Upper 60s, lower 70s, lower humidity. Not bad. 93 Tuesday. And then as we get in the middle of next week, take a look. You can see by the 8th and 9th, there's that opportunity, that window of a couple of isolated downpours between Tuesday and Thursday. Otherwise, a little cooler by this time next weekend. Upper 80s, near 90, partly cloudy. All right, keep it here on KENS 5. We'll be right back.